we're going to use some properties of circles and of triangles to find the missing angle measurements. So in the question we're asked to find the measure of angle ROS. First we'll identify where that angle is. So angle ROS starts at R, goes up to O, and down to S. So the angle that we're looking for is right here. That's the measurement that we're going to try to find out. I'd like to know what that is. Now let's look at the information that we're given. We're told that point O is the center of the circle and S is a point of tangency. So we have O and S. If O is the center and we go down to point S, we have the line here that has to be a radius of the circle because it goes from the center to the circle. So we know that we have a radius right here. And we're also told that S is a point of tangency. So we know that this line SR has got to be a tangent line. So we have a tangent line and we have a radius. And we have a property that relates a radius to a tangent line. We know this property as the tangent radius property. The tangent radius property tells us that since we have a radius and we have a tangent line, the angle that's made between those two guys has got to be 90 degrees. So they're perpendicular, and therefore we have a 90-degree angle. So the tangent radius property tells us anytime I have a radius meeting a tangent line, I end up with a 90-degree angle. So now I know two angles in my triangle. I have 90 degrees here, and I was given this 28 degrees when we started. So I only have one missing angle left, and that's the one we're looking for, ROS. I also know that all of the angles of a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So I have 180 degrees to work with, and I've used up 90 degrees and 28 degrees. So we can simply subtract the angles that are already used up, the 90 degrees that have been used up of the 180, and the 28 degrees that have been used up from the 180, and what's left is going to be reserved for that missing angle of our triangle right here. So 180 degrees, take away 90 degrees, take away 28 degrees, leaves us with 60 degrees for angle ROS. So angle ROS is that missing 62-degree measure.